Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to simplify this simple looking math problem with two methods. So the question is 120 divided 1 by 2 times 2. But the twist is that we are going to solve with the two methods, but you have to tell me which method is correct. Okay? So let's start with the method 1, that is 120 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. So what people do? Cancel out the 2 with 2 and 120 divided by 1 as 120. Now method 2, 120 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. As per BORDMAS or PEMDAS rule, if we solve it from left to right. So it's 120 divided by 2 or 120 divided by 1 by 2. Is it same or the different thing? Yes, both are different things. This gives you 60, which is wrong. But 120 divided by 1 by 2 will write it's 2 by 1. So it's 120 divided by 2 times 2. So this will be wrong. So we have to write it 120 times 2 and the left times 2. So it's 120 times 4, that is 480. So what do you think? Which answer is correct? 120 or 480? Yes, 480 is the correct answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.